Jean Bardin was born 1732, died 1809. He was a French historical painter. He was a pupil of Louis Jean François Lagrenée and later studied at Rome. He became a popular artist in France, and was admitted into the Academy in 1779. He was made director of the art school at Orléans in 1788. His subjects are partly historical, partly poetical, and sometimes religious. He was the instructor, in the elements of art, of David and Regnault. He died at Orléans in 1809. His daughter, and pupil, was the painter Ambroise-Marguerite Bardin.